This is the Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. Alrighty, so we will launch the settings, then enter the display category and expand the available screen timeout values. We can clearly see that the highest we can go by default is only 10 minutes. Thus, if you would like to set this value to never, we are going to use the help of the free Google Play Store application that is called Caffeine. So let me just launch the Play Store, then I'll enter the Caffeine. That is exactly the app that we are looking for, so let's go ahead and install it real quick. And after you have successfully gotten the Caffeine app, all that it's left to do is to launch the application and make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set. And that will effectively mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, so do not close it, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.